Graham and Ginger got to go to Pompano Pet Lodge today and play with other dogs. They're doing a lot of construction here. Pretty soon they're going to have all that to play in and get housed in as well. Some of the doggies that get the luxury of being inside here at Pompano Pet Lodge. You got their own little graveyard going on here for Halloween. Ginger and Graham! Yay! They're so excited. Oh! Hi! Hello! Alright, Ginger, you ready to go home? Did you have fun? You look like you had fun. How about you, Graham? Did you have fun? Graham? He's still looking out the window over there. Well, anyway, they had fun. They definitely had fun today playing. Good girl. We're gonna go home now.